Hello guys, do you remember this setup from the last video? So basically this is a loop, and on each run we increment a counter variable. The counter variable in our case here is a. To do this we need 4 lines of code, as you see. But what if I tell you there is a way more easier way to do this? Let me introduce the for loops. This is exactly the same as we did with the while loop, just in 2 lines. Isn't that crazy? So let me just demonstrate it for you. If we run this, the program will output the numbers from 0 to 9. So it's basically the same as we did here with the while loop. Also, the syntax of the for loop is way easier, as you see. We have the for keyword, which tells us that there is a for loop. Then we have a counter variable, and then we have the keyword in, so which means for variable in, and then a collection of numbers or strings or whatever. I will tell you a bit more in the next video about this. For now, let's focus on this one. So yeah, our collection here is this range function. So range 10, what does this do? Well, basically it gives us a list of numbers which go from 0 to 9. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And then what the for loop is doing is it basically iterates over each of these numbers in this list. So every run there is a new number. So on every run it jumps to the next number. That's why it counts from 0 to 9. So to sum up, the for loop basically iterates over a list of items. These items could be strings, numbers, objects, whatever you like. And the value of the current list item is stored in this L variable. You can call it whatever you like. Just I and L are the most popular in such for loops. That's why I chose them. I hope my explanation was halfway clear. I know I didn't explain the lists and arrays yet, but I promise these will come in the next video. So definitely make sure to stay tuned and subscribe this channel. If you still have questions for loops and while loops and ifs or whatever, you can write me on Discord. The server link is in the description. I would really appreciate if some of you guys would join. And while you're doing that, I wish you a great day or evening, and I hope to see you tomorrow in the next tutorial.